What's up, YouTube? We're headed to Waco. We're about to go get something cool, so stay tuned.
How you doing? Yeah, that's nice. Hey, Robin, I'll do my shit, man. I ain't never done that, bro. That's nice, man. Yeah. Yeah, bro, I am fucking. I'm going to go down now. So I got to wait for it to go down, so I got to start anything.
Alright, made it back home from Waco. But before I can show you the buggy, I got to finish up a project here in the shop. So stay tuned with that. I'm gonna get started here. I wanted to make tube today, but I'm not going to be able to. I don't have enough metal. I got another project that's going to require the metal. But basically, I'm going to clean up these rebar. I'm going to drill a couple holes in the single iron. Weld these pieces. Be right back. Anyway, I'll weld this onto there, and I need another one. Anyway, the glove it's a glove holder. Just another place to put my gloves. I also got to make another helmet rack. Do on this wall. So let's get to cleaning these up and we'll go from there. Alright, this hole's done. Clean up the flat disc. Get my phone out of here. I like that. Like I said, not pretty, but functional. Let me fire up that generator so we can turn on the welder. Guys, I have to admit, I just got this helmet in for Christmas. My uncle bought it for me for Christmas. It's a Yes Welder. It's got this True Color technology. 10 times better than this for the same cost on Amazon. Yes Welder, check that out. That right there, man, I'm happy with this one. Let it cool down and I cool it off. That's actually pretty straight. I bet you if I put like a, I didn't even use a square on it. That's pretty straight. All we're gonna do is, after it cools down and cleaned up, no, probably like right up here. Up here somewhere maybe. That'll work. That'll work great. So let's get this cooled down and I'll clean it up. And I'll mount it on the wall and then I'll be back. Well, there you guys have it. Up on there. I need to make one more for my extra set of gloves I have for one of the helpers here. And I gotta make a helmet. Anyway, let's get to the buggy that I keep promising y'all. So let's get out there to it. There y'all have it. Look at it. Yeah, it's a work in progress, but it's got a Baja Motorsports sticker on it, so I guess it's a Baja brand. Plans is might have to cut this off, I'm not for sure. We're gonna weld in an engine mount here and put a 420 Predator in. Might have to change up, I don't know. We got a clutch that came with it that'll fit a 420. I might have to change the sprocket. I'm not 100% sure yet. That looks like maybe a 50. It's pretty big. So we're gonna do that. So might have to cut this off. Not 100% sure yet. The tires, I think the tires on this is the same as that's on the gray go-kart. The back. We'll just swap those around. I'll put the regular tires back on the gray go-kart because it was kind of too aggressive thread on that for the back of this, and get some front tires. Look, suspension. I've been always wanting something with the suspension. It's got suspension in the front and the back. Hydraulic brakes all the way around. Needs a seat. Don't know what we're gonna do with this about the seat yet. And after I get all the important stuff fabricated, we're gonna get it sandblasted down. We're going with OD green and black rims, which should look pretty slick, especially with if I put like a black BS Small Engines logo on the bars. That should look real slick on it. So it might be a month or two before y'all see this thing again. I gotta get the parts together. The guy had a clutch and stuff like that for it, but it still needs a motor. I could probably make a motor mount, but the motor mount's kind of cheap, so I could fabricate one, or I could buy one because they're pretty cheap. Be a time saver. I don't know. Gotta figure out the sprocket thing. But yeah, that's it. This one's gonna be made for the kids, or for the adults. We made the others for the kids. This one's gonna be more for the adults. Putting that 420 on there with the suspension. Should be real nice. Can't wait to get started on this one. Oh, I had a new throttle cable that came with it too. It's all in the truck. Anyway guys, that is it on this video. I hope you like it. Can't tell you much more on this until we get parts in, and then we can start tearing it down and fabricating it, putting that new engine on. Until then guys, I will see y'all next Friday for the next video, and every Saturday 8 p.m. Central Time for live stream on my channel. Until then, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Later guys.